how to delete your Cash App account. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete your Cash App account. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, make sure you tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, you will see many sections that lead to different parts of your Cash App account. To access the setting we want, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Once you are at the bottom of the page, tap on the option named Support. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. This is the support page of Cash App, where you will find various options that can help you with different features of the app. From here, scroll down and look for an option named Account and Settings. As you can see, here is the option. Make sure you tap on it, just like shown here. On the next page, you will find various sections related to your account and app settings. Scroll through them and look for an option named Close Your Cash App Account. As you can see, here is the option. Make sure you tap on it. Wait for the page to load completely. Kindly note that this action is irreversible, so read the information provided here carefully before making a final decision. If you are sure about it, then go ahead and tap Confirm. The account will then be deleted. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete your Cash App account.